without you. Ain't no time for me forgetting all about you. Saying that you know, but really, really doubt you. Understand my life is easy waiting around you. Wake me up inside, call my name and save me from the dark.
I understand yung sinasabi mo. Yung mga tao sa buhay.
Ang prize today, ito, merong gift voucher sa Aqua Plus. Isa. Maglalaro ka pa ba dito?
Oo, maglaro si Cynthia.
Blue, blue, violet, green.
Ay!
Luto.
Na-distract kasi ako sa kitin.
Handa na ba maglaro? Blue, blue, violet, red, red, blue. Bro, because you know what? This is rigged. If you're ready, put your hands up.
Fight naman na.
Shake it, shake, shake, shake. Red, purple, purple. What? Oh! What is this? Blue, green, blue. Thank you so much, ating winner, Zaina! Thank you. Ano yung words mo? Dahil nanalo ka. Thank you. Hindi, nasaya lang ako. Start! Okay. No. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes.
Ay, wait lang. Isa sabay lang.
Fighting!
Naghaharap pa rin siya.
Sabi ko na ako ng timba!
Go, go, go.
Yes. No. 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 Yes, yes, yes.
Kahit masama sa loob ko, binibigay ko ang prize na to sa kanila. Kahit harap-harapan ni Kuya Mark, tinulungan yung kapatid niya Mandaya sa laro namin kanina.
Pwede mong pag sinabi yung patay yung ilaw.
Ikaw naman, Uy, kasi Sure ka ba?
Ito lang useless. Bato.
Bato!
Go.
Saan? Paper!
Ano
lang?
Wow!
Ano to, bula?
Tatlong sapatos. Isang piraso lang. Wow! Thank you, Juan!
Alik-alik.
Yay! Ay, corny.
Team niya nakabuka yung bibig niya.
Oh, wow!
Ano ako yung bata pa ako na. Oo nga, nulumbas.
Lumban.
Ay, ano to? Ah! Oh my God!
Tamagotchi!
Hindi pa yan kanina.
Oh my God!
Hindi, uwi ka ng umaga.
Hi, I'm Zaira,
This is
and this
Isaac.
year I graduated with Latin honors.
Hi, I'm Adrian and I watched How to Train Your Dragon in concert this year.
Hi, my name is Cynthia and I finished 14 books for the last 2 months and 20 days.
I am David and nag-SL ako kahapon.
Hi, I'm Irish.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And we became parents and built a home.
Hi, I'm Denise and I showered in less than 1 hour.
Hi, I'm Grace and I finished my 800 hours OJT this year and met new people.
Hi, I'm Rain. I graduate with honors this year and I got to experience a lot of new things.
Wala ako.
Magano ka? IKEA?
No,
Cara. Caramel. Cara. So cute. Good morning, guys. Today is the 24th of December, and basically it's Christmas Eve later, so happy almost Christmas Eve. I'm so excited for the holiday festivities. But prior today, I already did some celebration. Last time, we had a little celebration between my siblings and I. We had a little get together at the Ice House. My siblings and I, we have like a little breakfast before it's like a pre-Christmas breakfast at Starbucks. We started doing that back in I think 2023, and we decided to do that tradition every year. And that's where we're going to today.
Chicken Chipotle now. Mag-half community set. Kahit labag sa loob niya.
Dito na naman kami mga bunso.
Gusto mo yung nagtitikiman na kami dito ng pwede din. Lava chip. You want it? Ay! Gusto ko! Ginigil trip na nga niya. Parang gusto niyang kunin eh.
So this is the fit, guys. Every year, meron kaming matchy color. This year, it's maroon. This is an off-shoulder top, one-sided. This is from TikTok shop. Tapos itong skirt. I think I got this H&M like years ago. And this is my makeup for tonight. I'm so happy with how my makeup turned out tonight. Guess who's in the house? A baby has arrived.
Mukbang!
Alam mo yung mga
Pangit pa usap, di ba?
Tiempo.
Dapat ganito mag-upload. Gusto mo?
Kasi naman eh.
Noche Buena ka din.
Alam mo, yung mami mo yan eh.
Kasi sa'yo, di. Dito. Alam mo naman kung ano yan. Babawiin namin yan eh. Kailangan din namin ng tapos.
Ikaw ba yung Jill?
Ako yan. Nasa labas nita.
Nakaganyan lang sa pinto, binabantayan niya.
Bye-bye 500 sa inyo! Ganyan, pumili! Wala pa!
Joy. Joy.
Opening presents time! Wow! Wow!
Wala pa naman.
Sensory mo.
Ayun yung katulad ng mga libro niya doon.
Wow, more bowl! Yay!
Ay, may city ka. Pick up the babe.
Yan. No, ayaw niya lang. You fail. May nanalo na.
Yeah, thank you for the presents, Auntie.
Which one do you like? This one or this one? Ay, both. Both daw. Hawak na ano niya pala.
Nandito sa aso ko.
Woo!
May banana bread eh. Ang cute.
Ano yan?
Toy.
Panigo ba to? Uy,
Ay,
sakto.
hindi tayo. Walang alak.
Diba?
Irish cream syrup lang siya.
Yay, may pangnigo na sila. Gusto ko. Diyan to. Parang gusto ko yun.
Bakit ka ba ganun yung ulo niya? Ako yan eh.
Wallet and wallet.
Oo, nakita ko yung pagbukas yung dread dyan.
Kung na hindi mo alam na regalo.
Ay, may wallet
Yes.
ako.
Same lang ba kayo?
Thank you, Tiki.
Thank you, Tiki.
And Kuya Euros.
Wow.
Ano kaya yan? Ano yun?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow!
Wow, thank you.
Ano, my turn. Bakit ganun? It's a paper bag na, di ba? Tapos
Ba nakikita?
Fun suspense. Wow! Why is it pink?
It's a dress?
Why do I want that?
Saglit. Ang mixed emotion si Cynthia.
Uy!
Wala
Yay!
pang sa atin
My
yun.
boyfriend!
I feel like that's gonna end up in my car, in my wallet.
Oh, that's cute! It's a honor. I love it. Thank you, Tiki. Thank you, Kuya Ross. Asan na yung wallet ko?
It's my turn! It's my turn!
Umiyak.
Bag? Wow! Lunchbox.
Uy, ang cute niya!
Manicure service.
Thank you, Tiki!
Oh, wow! Sorry.
New Year, hindi ako polka dots. Sinta ko ng New Year party kung saan man yan, may suot na ako. O, ito pang isa, oh.
Glitter.
Wow.
Kabog. Ay, yeah, I gave that.
Wow.
Yay!
Sabi ko sa'yo,
Ooh! Dalawa yung sa akin. Special ako.
uy, kasi next year wala na siya ti ay.
Bakit?
Ikaw na lang mamimig.
Wow! Ready for
Ay, may sweater na ako.
What's nice? Ito muna yung open.
Next week.
Let's open it.
Ay!
Ooh!
Sapatos
Ano yan?
na.
Ano to? Ooh! Hala!
Cute!
Thank you so much! Meron akong dainty shoes. It's so
Bango
pretty.
talaga kapag bago.
Oh my gosh! Yay! Naghanap sila ng ano, plato. Kinakagalingan natin yung sa plate
Si
store.
David ang namili ng kulay.
Ay, bring out the good plates.
Very ano na sila, very family ano.
Very
Very
tiny.
adulty.
Mommy and daddy.
It's nice.
Ito yung boat.
Diba? I'm so happy.
Final gift. Plato din ba to? Ay, si Mar. Ah, ano yan?
Blind box.
Oh my God!
Baby alive.
Hala! Wait lang! Ah!
Ang dami.
Hala, wala akong pink na bag.
Yun nga.
Yay, may birthday! And then,
Ay, may anik-anik din siya.
Oh, yun.
Hala, ang cute. Tapos notepad, tapos sticker.
Ano yan? Washi tape? Ano washi tape?
Washi
May
tape.
tape na...
Decorative.
Ano washi tape? Si washi tape lang yung alam ko eh.
Halatang hindi nagde-design eh.
Hala! Oh, it has 2 compartments.
Si Owie.
Ah, oh, may bago! Oh my God! Woo! Yeah! Dapat kayo din. Thank you! Thank you so much, friends, family. May gift din si Tia, kunwari hindi ko alam. Oh my gosh!
Ha?
Uy, hindi ko nakita yung reaction ko. Kasi hindi ko alam.
Ulit.
Ulit natin.
Oh
Oh my gosh!
Napaka-Owie.
Hindi nga tayo, mas na pink na pink lahat ng ano mo learning.
Pati nga yung aso ko nga, Oping. Favorite niya kasi yung
Aso.
color.
Aso mo yan? Tara!
Sa aso.
Tara!
Sa aso ko kasi. Favorite color kasi ng aso ko yung pink.